Hey guys, how's it going? How to use focus mode enhancement in iOS 18.1.1. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, right? And scroll a bit down to set up focus mode. Go ahead right here, right? And then create modes for work, personal, sleep, or custom by clicking the plus button at the top, right? Click custom from here and select your icon and the title for that focus. Next, what you need to do, customize filters, right? To enhance focus mode experience, limit app and contact notifications for each focus. Let's say, for example, do not disturb mode. By going right here to people and apps, you're going to be able to exclude some apps or people so you can access notifications from specific people and apps, right? You could go to people and add people from your contact list, or you could go back and select apps from here and add the apps that you want to receive notifications for. Okay, and next what you need to do, next, link to lock screens. Assign specific lock screens to focus modes via settings, focus, or directly from the lock screen, right? You can just swipe down to your control center. This is another option, and you can assign your focus mode. Next, enable smart activation. Automatically activate focus modes based on time, location, or app usage. You can just go ahead to notifications, and you can just see right time sensitive notifications. Allow app in your allowed list to send notifications, or you can just go back right here to the focus, okay, and do not disturb mode. And you're gonna be able right here to set a schedule to basically set up your focus mode at that time, right? You can see right here smart activation, or I could just set a time where I can silence my iPhone, okay? And lastly, access quickly. Swipe down or from the control center and then tap the focus icon to toggle modes. These enhancements help tailor notifications and distractions to your needs. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.